Hey Dekoni fans! Today, let's talk about the new Sony WH1000XM2 pads. These are our first choice pads. We have right now it's wearing the choice leather pads. We also are going to show you how to put on the choice suede pads. Both of these are vegan pads that are softer than stock leather, have a little bit 12 decibels more noise isolation for these noise isolating headphones, and also have a little bit more space to fit your ear inside, so they're going to be more comfortable all the way around. To remove them, you want to consider the 6 attachment points and kind of pull in towards the center of the pad. You'll feel a couple of these unclip and then it should come right off. Very easy. Then, if you want to line up your pads the same as stock, you should look for either the seam on the pads or the little triangle dab here. Line it up with the bottom of the ear cup, fit it in, and just press on those 6 points until you feel it clip into place. Watch this slow rebound memory foam in action. While that's going, let's try attaching the next pad. Just pull it, grab your other pad, line it up, and push on the 6 mounting points. Until you feel a click or hear a click, you'll know it'll pop into place. And this is softer than a pillow. Nice. Then, you're ready to go. That looks great.